Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. So let's today I feel the color will be yellow. Sorry, not yellow. The color has to be orange because a lot of you have a lot of energies blocked inside. So to overcome those blocked energies, I feel orange is the color. Today also, if there's any temple near you, just go to the temple, offer 5 coconuts to the Pandit and ask him to break it in the temple, or he can even donate it to some people. Don't bring the coconuts back home, just donate 5 coconuts and come. And in the evening, if you have time, then what you can do is either hear the Durga Chalisa or the Hanuman Chalisa. Even in the morning you can hear it, but in the evening it would be preferable between 7 to 8. So now let's go to your reading. Let's see what is the first card indicating. A maiden card. Pure form of innocence. Maidens are in WICCA, more like the right hand of the high priestess and witches runes. One of my favorite course, which teaches so many things, which foretells so many things, which helps in bringing in amazing spells. So okay, now let's come to the reading because I saw witches rune, I got carried away. So today's reading, when I say maiden, I would say that rise out of whatever you are feeling you are left out with. Come out of those energies which is blocking you. Lighten up your life, lighten up your feelings, because only when you honor yourself you can honor the things around you. Only when you love yourself you can love everything around you. Open your eyes. The angels, the divine is already giving you a lot of hints, lot of visions, lot of intuitions that things will go well and there is nothing to worry. Sorry, I had to pause as my pet was barking. So open your eyes and start loving yourself. Start dedicating or honoring yourself first. Because when you honor yourself, then you will be able to find everything around you the way you want. You will be able to gain the power or increase your power in such a beautiful way that you can not only read or understand what is happening around you, but also read other people's mind, because witches runes is also something like that only. Those runes are the runes which make you feel more powerful and connect with you more powerfully when you do a reading or when you do spells. So somewhere inside you there is a magical person, a lady or a man lying inside you. Tap the magic and bring out the magic in you. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Blessed be.